iQ4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair gaming mouse, with dynamic lighting, powerful macros, and complete control over settings like the polling rate and DPI. If you want to assign macros or other actions to the buttons on your mouse, mouse over the tile for your Corsair gaming mouse and click on Key Assignments. In the Assignments window, add a key assignment to the list by clicking the plus button. Select an action or remap from the assignment type window. Now configure your assignment. If you need to copy, rename, or delete a key assignment, select it in the Assignments window and open the menu to bring up controls for copying, renaming, or deleting the key assignment. To set up the lighting of your Corsair gaming mouse, click on the tab for lighting effects on the left-hand side of the iQ window. Add a lighting effect by clicking the plus button in the Lighting Layers window. Select a predefined lighting effect, custom lighting effect, or a lighting link effect in the lighting type window. Note that lighting link effects will be applied and synced with all connected devices that are compatible with iQ4. Now assign this lighting effect to available zones on your mouse. To customize the DPI settings of your mouse, go to the DPI tab. In the DPI presets window, you can select a default setting or add a custom preset by clicking the plus button. Use the menu options to copy, delete, or make this preset the default. Now go to the DPI stages window, open the menu next to each stage to enable or disable this DPI stage, or select a particular DPI stage as a default. Use the sliders to adjust the DPI setting for each stage or manually type in a desired setting. Finally, assign a custom DPI indicator color for each stage. If you want to reset the DPI stages window to default settings, scroll down to the bottom and click on Reset to Default. Finally, go to Device Settings if you need to change the polling rate, brightness, or even check for a firmware update for your mouse. And that's it, iQ4 unlocks the full potential of your Corsair gaming mouse. For more information about Corsair iQ, check out corsair.com/iQ.